trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Charts go up, charts go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every grade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by.
Yo, good morning, good morning. How's it going, everybody? Good morning. You guys taking any trades yet already? Make sure this sounding all right. Got an ad. Hang on. You guys taking any trades yet or what? Sounds pretty good to me. Sounds pretty good. Nothing yet? Yeah, me either. I had a morning, dude. I had a morning. My dang roof at my house was about to fall in. What's up, Biblical? What's going on, dude? What's going on, dude? What's up? What's up? Man, we're just in a big old chop zone, huh? We're in this big old kind of chop zone here. You took a great trade, a great tar day. Great tar day. What'd you take, buddy? Oh no, man, you're good. I don't even want it. I got too many Apex accounts. I don't even want it. I already have. I accidentally bought 21 Apex evals instead of 20, and I passed all of them. So now I got one. I got one just sitting there, one reserve. But if I keep these accounts for over a month, I'm gonna have to pay for that rebuild. Yeah, Yash, I'm live from the store, dude. I was gonna be live from the house this morning at 7 o'clock a.m. But I stayed at my girlfriend's place last night, and then when I got back to my place, the house, the roof in my room was literally caving in. There's like some water built up in there or something. So getting that fixed. Looks like we're kind of like bull flagging here though, kind of bull flagging on the 4-hour time frame. That's what it seems like. We're holding this fair value gap so far also on the 4-hour time frame. So, I mean, I could see us break above here and drive up later on today. What's up, Cord J? What's going on, dude? You're up 1,400 this morning? Let's go, Biblical. That's good. That's sweet, dude. Congrats, buddy. Well deserved. Well deserved right there. Man, I don't know. Kind of just chopping around here. I gotta figure out what's gonna happen here. I gotta figure something out. Put these on. Approaching this midnight level. Look at the 6 a.m. Let's see here. Let me go down to the 5 minute. Did you take longs? Oh, dude, this is pretty sweet, dude. I'm not gonna lie. We got this like accumulation right here. Manipulation lower to sweep below this, and then you get a 5 minute inversion right here. Pretty much like 3 candle inversion. That's nice right there, dude. This is what I would have taken right here. I don't know how you played it, but that's nice. Oh, dude, we're dumping right now. Look at this dump out of nowhere. Things falling off a cliff. Falling off a cliff. Heck yeah, Biblical. Nice. Dude, I can't believe it, dude. I was on a 359-day Bible streak, and I missed one day, and now I have to completely restart, man. Day 2 completed today. For the mighty one is holy, and he has done great things for me. Luke 1:49. Day 2 completed. Let's go. Day 2 completed. Send this here in the Discord. Dude, Nasdaq's kind of dumping here. Maybe a sweep below this level. And then a long. Maybe. We'll see. We got news. let me check. What time's news is in? What? I don't trade till I trade up until about 5 minutes before. I don't really want to have a order. I don't really want to have a trade on at 8:25. Let's see what's the news today. Oh yeah, 8:30. We got red folder. Core retail. Right there, 8:30. And then also 10 o'clock we got news also. We'll see. If something just pops out at me, I might take it. But at 8:25, I want to be kind of out of everything. So maybe like a 10-point trade or something if I can find something before then. But let me go send this daily Bible in. Boom. Sent. Let's go check it out. Let's check it out here. Daily Bible. Right here. For the mighty one is holy, and he has done great things for me. Luke 1:49. Good one. It's a good one. Let's go so far yesterday and today in new account. Let's go, dude. It's awesome. What's RDF? Real Deal Futures. Is that a good Discord community? I might need to join it. Real deal futures. So right now we're just kind of below kind of this support area here. Only problem is got another one right here. It's kind of in between these two areas. See what happens. See what happens right here. The VWAP, I don't really use it that much, but like if we're very far away from it, like this or like up here, I kind of use it differently than other people. Some people use it, they say like if you're on the upside of it, you want to look for longs. If you're on the downside, you want to look for shorts. Well, I use it kind of when we get very far away from the VWAP, I started looking for a trade back down toward the VWAP. So that's just kind of, it just kind of lets me know where we are in the market. So if we're very far away from the VWAP, I'm going to be looking for in like shorts back toward the VWAP down. If we're very low from the VWAP, I'm going to be looking for longs back toward it. But right now we're just kind of right around it. So I wouldn't really use it right now. Wouldn't really use it right now. All right, let's see if we come back up here. Yeah, Cord. Yeah, Cord J. That's how I use it. I don't know. I think I kind of like it the grayish color. Kind of keep it grayish. Something like that. Let's see. What's up? What's up? We got 24 people in here, 10 likes. If you're in here, hit that like button for me. Hit that like button. Let's go. I also made a jewelry Instagram. I'm gonna be posting at least once a day on there. If you want to see what kind of jewelry I make, I made a jewelry Instagram. It's called Slade the Jeweler. Let me put this anchored text up here. Smash the like button. All right, dude, we're coming back up here. We're coming back up. Looks like a sweep below this level to continue higher, possibly. Possibly. Let me see here. I'm just waiting on something to kind of jump out at me. Let's see if we hold this little fair value gap here and start to come back down or not, or if we close above it. We got 3 minutes and 30 seconds left on this candle. Tapping into this 1 minute gap here. Let's see, how big are these moves? That right there is only about 12 points. So pretty, not too spicy this morning. You're long 9:15, stop at 9:04. Come on, let's pump it up for biblical here. Looks pretty good to me, dude. Looks pretty good. I like how he swept this level right here and start to drive back up. Let's see. Let's see. Come on, drive it up. Drive it up. Hopefully we can bounce right here. Here we go. Oh yeah, dude, I saw you were looking at that at Pine Tree stream, dude. I also saw Methodical Man back testing it. The first inside bar of the session, like New York session, has a pretty good win rate. Also, if you go for like a 1-to-1, seen Methodical Man was back testing it. Pretty good win rate. All right, pumping back up here. Bouncing off that VWAP, kind of this level here. Let's see. Made most of your money today using it? Nice, man. Yeah, I need to research it some more. I need to back test it myself. Let me just think here. What kind of makes sense? Here. Let's say we're near. We just hit the bottom of the range. It makes sense to kind of rotate back up to the top of the range here, in my opinion. So let's see if that happens. Could also say though it's kind of bouncing from the bottom of this range here, kind of the midpoint of the range. Michael Williams says, be careful, 8:30 news close. Yeah, it is 15 minutes here. I don't know. Unless something really pops out of me and I think I can get a quick trade, I'm just going to stay out. Do you guys suggest going for a fixed RR like 1-to-1 or 1-to-2 simply target your draw on liquidity? I think, I think the way I think about it, it depends on what kind of accounts you have. Like Apex, I would go for, this is just how I trade, I would just go for like kind of a fixed RR. Even if you think it's gonna go farther, I would still just take your base hits on Apex. If you're trading something like Top Step with no trailing drawdown, then you can go for those bigger moves, because if it does come back and stop you out at break even, you don't lose any drawdown. So that's just kind of what I think. What was your biggest win? Dude, I have no idea. I don't know. I can't really keep like my biggest win on these prop accounts, because like they're not real wins until you take payouts. You know, they're not real wins until you take payouts. My biggest payout, shoot, I don't even know what that was. I think it was like 15,000. Biggest single payout. I don't know. Let's go check. Let's check what my biggest payout was. I don't know about the biggest win because I don't really count them. 19,000 with Top Step. That's the biggest one, I think. Yeah, that's probably gonna be the biggest one. 15 right here with Apex, 15,800. Yeah. 12,000 with Fast Track. Dude, I was so close to having a $60,000 payout with Fast Track. I was literally, I think it was like 1 or 2 days away and blew it. I was 1 or 2 days away from having a 60,000 payout with Fast Track, and I blew it, man. Blew it. Oh well, you live and learn. Devin says, what up, dude? Today is manipulation first, then continuation in New York today. We'll see, man. We'll see. Nah, I'm not streaming the open, dude. 9:30 is when I gotta start putting out this jewelry at the jewelry store. I wish I could. We gotta be doors open by 10 o'clock here, so I gotta start putting out the jewelry at 9:30. We gotta take it out of these safes and put it up. We have to put it out every single morning and put it up every single night. This jewelry. Yeah, man. We got news coming up. I also like this orb here. I got this orb, so this orb. This is the London session initial balance. I have it set on right now, 3 o'clock a.m. to 4 o'clock a.m. So it marks out the highs and lows from 3 o'clock a.m. to 4. And then it plots it out here. So you can see here at around 4:30, we broke out of the initial balance and then dumped down. And ever since then, we've been trying to grind our way back up. I do that. I do the 15-minute. I really like the 15-minute range. So 3 to 3:15. See here, we held the middle of it and then dumped down. And then even when I first started and didn't know anything, I did the 3:30 to 3:45. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, that was a little fake out there, but keep it on the 3 to 4 for right now, just that initial balance. Oh yeah, dude, we got we play a country music station. We got ads running on a country music station, so we keep it on that station. Yeah, I'm not gonna take a trade before the news here. Maybe after the news. What's up?
So damn early.
That's Mike. Mike works here. Guess he came in early to get some work done. Yeah, I'll just keep on streaming. I'll keep on streaming. About to have news, Mike. 8:30.
What?
About to have some news. Market's gonna either dump or pump in 7 minutes. Oh, it just had a dump down. That it ain't even news yet. It's only 8:23. It's already dumping. Look at that dump down. Hope you guys weren't in a trade. Hope you were out of a trade there. Look at that buy up. Look at that wick. Yeah, Biblical had a stop in though at 9:04. So hopefully he got stopped out there for not too big. Hopefully not too bad of a loss. Oh, and the inside bar, who's asking about the inside bar? So the inside bar, you can even get a, let me turn all this stuff off here. And you can even, there's indicators for the inside bar, so, and it'll color the inside bars. So the inside bar, you see how this candle right here, this orange one, the wicks don't exceed the top and bottom of this candle. That's an inside bar. And basically, I think how most people play it, I'm pretty sure, I don't know, you have to ask Biblical, but whichever way the candle breaks, it's supposed to continue down at least to the bottom of the candle. So let me find, so like this one, inside bar, it broke below it here, so it's supposed to at least come down. Like this one here, this is a good one. Inside bar broke the bottom of the wick here and continued all the way down to the bottom of this candle here. Boom. That's basically the inside bar though. All right, we got news in 4 minutes. Type 1 if you think it's gonna dump. Type 2 if you think it's gonna pump. 1 equals dump. 2 equals pump. Let's see. Type 1 if you think it's gonna dump. Type 2 if you think it's gonna pump. Biblical says 3. Neither. Everybody's saying pump. Most people are saying pump. Mine says dump. What's 3, Biblical? You think it's gonna be a nothing burger? Oh, or you don't know? 3. Three minutes. Mine says, have you ever traded GBP USD? Yeah, when I used to trade Forex. But I usually traded GJ. All right, let's see, 2 minutes. Maybe we'll get like a nice wick on the news candle and then get an inversion play. Maybe we'll get a nice wick and an inversion play. We got 28 people in here, 20 likes. Johnny's long on an eval. Hope it pumps. What's up, Ivan? What's going on, dude? We're just getting ready to watch this news here. Maybe we'll get a play after. Haven't traded the Apex accounts today. They're just sitting here at about halfway to a max payout, so I'm gonna really trade them well. Let's see here. I got the Asian lows and Asian high up here. My London isn't set until 9:30, so it looks like it might come take out these Asian lows at least down here. I don't know. We'll see. It's starting to get a little crazy. There's the news though. Bang, it's out. Took out the bottom and now it's pumping up here. So let me mark out this news low. Yeah, swept the lows right here and then came up. Let's see if it keeps on pumping or what. I wouldn't mind if it went up all day. Dude, how crazy was it? We were trading up here at 24,000 on the NASDAQ. Crazy. See if we take out the low or the high first. Yo, Claudine, what's up? How's it going? You still getting them payouts? Austin. No, I haven't been trading London session lately in about a week or two. It's been like really slow in London session for the past like 2 weeks. Really slow, just choppy, getting a bunch of these kind of candles. Just hard to watch. See, like, look at all these like gaps and stuff during the, like, this is what it looks like during the London session. It's just really annoying to trade. Let's go. Passed 150K and got over the buffer yesterday. Nice. Yeah, take profit trader is nice. Daily payouts. Those daily payouts. Are we making like a bull flag here? On a 30-second. I'm looking to see if we can like take out this news high and then maybe get like an inversion back down to the low, something like that. Something like that. But we got an inside bar here. Right here, inside bar. So it might just come all the way down to the low. That's how people play the inside bar. So 1 minute inside bar. Oh yeah, fifth day. I don't really know the inside bar too much. Yeah, also I got an email, but you can just message inside the Discord if you wanna message. All right, we're about to take out that high. Didn't take out this high here. If it would have taken out the high, and then we got kind of like this really tiny 30-second inversion right here, but if it would have taken out the high, I would have played this to the lows, but it didn't take out the high. So maybe from here it comes down, sweeps the Asian low, and then we can get an inversion back up to the high. But I mean, this high here isn't, this is the main wick here. You see how large this wick is? So I don't know how relevant this high is on the news wick. Waiting on it to sweep one of these levels here, either the high or the low. Just waiting. Looks like it's gonna go take out this high. Somebody says low is protected. Yeah, Austin, I can't do YouTube all day. I can't. Somebody says the low is protected. Let's see. It's bouncing off of this VWAP. Coming down here. See if it's going to take out the low or the high first. See if it's going to take out the low or the high. All right, I'm in a buy here. Let's see. See if we can keep going up or if we're gonna dump. Let's see if we can pump. Pump it, pump it. We get out right there. 91 bucks. Should have held, but whatever. I'll take a scalp on a Friday. Take a scalp on a Friday. Up 91 times 20 accounts. Let's go. I don't like to play around with the trailing drawdown on Apex, so I just kind of scalp it. 23,909 to 23,904 to 23,909. Let me mark it out here. 23,904 to 23,909.25. Right there. And it was like this. Right there. That's where I got out. And let's see where I was targeting. That's where I got out, and I was targeting this right here. See if it would work. See if I should have held or not. We got 35 people in here, 27 likes. Come on, smash the like button. Guys taking any trades today? I just took one up 91 times these 20 accounts here. They're a little over halfway to payout now. Well, less than that, but full payout, a little over halfway to full payout. I don't know what my biggest day was, so I don't know what the consistency needs to be to reach minimum payout, but full payout halfway there. Little scalp right there. No, it's fine. Let's see. Let's see. Is it gonna drop down or pump up here? You guys in a trade? Anybody in a trade? Yeah, I meant to do that today, but I think I turned it off because it makes the stream like buffer when you put it on low latency. Makes the stream buffer. Devin's in an ES long. It's fighting that VWAP right now. It's fighting the VWAP. Can it get above the VWAP? Can it get above the VWAP? Sweet, Austin. Yeah, I'm gonna be trading. I'll be trading from 7 Eastern time till 9 Eastern every day on YouTube. Every day. Dude, we used to get like we used to have like 120 people in here every day, but then I stopped streaming on YouTube. When I was streaming at 7 like a month or two ago, we'd have like 120 people in here. Got to get back to that. But this is just like the second day back, so when people start finding out we're back, they'll start coming back. Because nobody really streams at this time. Well, they stream at 8, but nobody really streams at 7. So I think Rips streams at 8 o'clock. Oh, I think Patrick's on right now already. It's all right though. I'm about to get off here at 9. I can't believe this hasn't taken out the high or low yet. Crazy. Let me take a screenshot though. Take a screenshot. Just I'm typing some stuff in the Discord here. Can't get over that VWAP. It keeps rejecting it. What's up, Josh? Chop City. Yeah, it is right now, isn't it? All right, Austin. I'll try low latency tomorrow. We'll see how it works. I just remember last time I did it, the stream kept buffering. But it could also be the settings I had in the stream. I think I was doing like 4K resolution. So I think if I do 1920 by 1080, it'll be fine with the low latency. All right, well, it's just chopping around here. I'm gonna get off of here. If you guys want, join the Discord and we can hang out in there and talk during New York session. But yeah, just join the Discord. The link's down below. You might have to sign. It's like on through my website. You got to do it, but it's free, so you can join it. All right, Paul. See you later. It's better to sign up through the website though, because it keeps the bots out anyway. All right, guys. See ya. Have a good one.
Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick-tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold. Money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes. Trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold. Every grade, every hold. Money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick-tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning